when we say, so did he operate as an adult? Did he operate as a competent adult in assessing what his problems were and how he was going to deal with it? He didn't. He didn't. A competent adult, someone exercising judgment as an adult, would not have become fixated on watching the videos of school shootings and so on and not talking to anybody, not talking to him about their problem, not moving out of...
Unfortunately, there are a lot of adults who've done just that very thing.
Except that the Youth Justice Act doesn't apply to those adults. And there are circumstances where we have adults who, you're right, act in an extremely immature way, and that might be because of cognitive problems and so on. But there's no provision in the Youth Justice Act or the Criminal Code for them. There is for this youth. It is mandated and obligated to do that. And much is made of the fact, well, he was a couple weeks short of his 18th birthday. The Act applies to him. And there are some, and you saw in some of the cases, where youth, 16 or 17-year-old, are acting at a very mature level. They've interacted with the judicial system many times. They know their way around. They know exactly what they're doing. That isn't what we're dealing with here. We're dealing with an individual who's operating at a level far lower than his chronological age.
She looked at the fact that there was no doubt that he was the lead player in this. He was the sole planner, the sole architect, as it's called, and he was the only one who participated in it. He fulfilled his desire to be, essentially to be as infamous as the rampant shooters that he tended to glorify in the past. Distilled to its core, we submit the challenge to the judge's assessment we submit is really an attack on her factual findings, which I hope that I've demonstrated, at least to some extent, or to a large extent, that they were completely supported by the evidence. The judge found that the Crown had rebutted the presumption, and we submit that no error was made in respect of that. She found that a youth sentence would not hold him accountable, and we submit she made no error in that.